Tiene mucho miedo.
It's like, get away from me, Nick. Dog is racist.
No big dog, man. Fuck that.
Damn, that's a beautiful dog.
To the park. We go to the park. Some beautiful scenarios to take home tonight.
So do you think you're gonna get a goal tonight from this filming?
My guy, can I stop you for a minute? I guess we'll never find out. I would love to fly, but you know, I can only fly when I'm on drop. We almost got fucked today. I wanted to take you guys around Barcelona.
Alright.
And meet some beautiful dogs. I'm a dog myself.
Yes, sir.
Welcome to the park. You guys have a date or something?
Yeah.
Alright.
Have a good day, bro.
Have a good day. You too. Hey. This is where all them homophobic poodles come to swim. Embarrassed, but this is where I bathe myself. Get ready, get some soap. Have that fresh in Barcelona. I see another dog. Emasculated, like someone took my ball. You know what I'm saying? They call my name.
Tu crois pas pour nous encore?
Stella, stop. Did you get your fish today? It's a beautiful day in Barcelona. Reggie, nice to meet you. Where you from? Mexico. Beautiful. Awesome. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Into dogs.
I'm into dogs. I just feel so in love. This is like the Tower of Babylon. You're so sexy. You're so sexy.
What or water for him?
Maurice.
Yeah.
Oh, Maurice. Maurice. Oh. So sexy. But how much would you sell him for, Maurice?
Huh?
If I gave you $1,000 right now, would you sell him?
No.
$1 million?
Sorry, no.
No?
No.
Maurice. Maurice. I don't want to leave you. You're so beautiful.
He's my best friend.
It's just friends don't have no price.
Yeah.
Maurice, not up my ass. What the fuck? You want to say anything?
Yeah. God bless everybody, everywhere, every country, every continent, every nation, every generation, every religion. Jah Rastafari. Have you great time, my brothers?
Thank you.
Yeah, one love, man.
Maurice, I'll miss you. Don't do me like that, Maurice. 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 Oh my God.
Love you, bro.
Yes? Yeah, I'll come back. Bye. Okay, we're gonna. Oh, this is. Oh my God. What the? When the second one came, I almost dropped my ball. Right? Oh, we got another pigeon to interview. Hello? Hello? I want to ask him what it's like to be a white pigeon. I guess we'll never know, you know?
Nah.
It's called a galgo, but it's a kind of Spanish greyhound.
How much would you sell him?
She has no price for me.
Come here, my boy. For people like this man right here. What's your name? What's your name? No? For dogs. Hey, how you guys doing? And beautiful girls. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, man. Tinder in the real life. Should I jump in?
No, freak you.
Have you ever cheated? No.
No.
You don't want to say?
Tell us what is it?
Cuando tú vas a la playa, ¿sabes? A la piscina, te mojas y tienes una loba. Rosy, ven, ven.
You want some beer?
Mira, mira, no pasa nada. Ay,
I wanted to buy my friend a beer.
hi. Sorry, friend.
I guess not every dog likes alcohol, so should we move on?
Es muy desconfiado.
¿Quieres una cerveza? No.
I don't speak English. Yeah.
Dog.
That's not your type?
Huh?
That's not your
It's not
type?
my type. My type. I don't know. They weren't interested, so I wasn't interested. You get me? If you're a dog, I'm a dog too. Barcelona has been great so far. And all the dogs I talked to have been very photogenic, very beautiful. The homophobic pigeons, we're gonna skip past them. California, but European. You feel me? Okay, what is it like in deal or no deal? We're trying to find the most photogenic ugly dogs in the world. And I think we found them. We found the most photogenic dogs in the world. Whose dog is it?
Mine, it's mine. Yeah.
Whoa!
What?
How much would you sell it for? If I'm giving
No, I would never sell him. Never. No.
No?
No, he's not on the same. Family. His family.
It's family. Yeah. We're from Alabama, honestly.
Alabama?
Yeah,
Oh.
Alabama. So we're used to like cousin fucking and sister fucking. Sometimes animals. So. But I guess not today.
Okay, see you around.
The way this dog licked ass, I've never seen anything like it. I think my ass needs some licking too, but
You got it on tape.
on tape.
Yeah.
That's a sex tape. We have a show called Most Photogenic Dogs in the World. And your dog, the way he looks, the way his eyes shine, the way his ass squeaks.
It's not even my dog, I just take care of it for my friend. No.
How much would you sell it for?
Oh, I'm not. It's not mine.
Alright. I guess in Alabama, animal fucking season 25, nothing to why not? Alright, so today I'm gonna do acrobatic yoga. How you doing? Good?
Dog fucking.
From Alabama.
For a TikTok or something.
It's for Pornhub, actually.
For Pornhub.
Yeah, for Pornhub. You look kind of like Johnny Sins. You know him?
I've heard about him. Yeah, my twin brother.
Let's go. It's your time.
That's crazy. All right, I have an interview for you. All right. What is it like to be a bird? What? Yo, what the fuck? What? You said I'm a bitch?
He said you bitch.
Has any one of you guys cheated before? Cheated? No?
Loyal men around there.
There's still some good men around here, man.
Loyal men in Birmingham.
Loyal men, burn him.
Where are you guys from?
Birmingham, UK.
Birmingham. So you've never cheated in your life before? Why you lying, bro?
TikTok, Black Johnny Sins, yeah.
Bro, why you lying?
I don't lie, bro. I don't lie.
You've never cheated before?
What are you lying for?
Have you had a girlfriend before?
No.
If you've not, you cannot cheat.
You can't cheat. You can't cheat.
Have you had a girlfriend before?
Yeah, I don't cheat. No.
How many girlfriends have you had?
One.
How many girlfriends have you
I
had?
got one.
Just one. Barcelona. Where are your girlfriends? Where?
Luckily, they want homosexuals because all these homophobic pigeons out here are really shitting on all of our faces.
Yes,
But
sir.
I want to see you in front of the birdhouse tomorrow. Come on, my bro. You want a beer? Ciao, Luna. Luna, smile. Come on, you're beautiful.
You on TikTok, yeah?
Yeah, Johnny Sins. But I'll
What's
give
your
you
YouTube?
Gideon.
Nah, it's not.
No?
Hoodie.
Nah,
Bring
it's
it.
not. It's not.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Awesome.
then.
All right,
right.
brother.
Nah, that's not it, is it?
That's me, motherfucker.
I
Can't
saw
you
some
see?
videos here in Europe, and we saw
He's just chilling right there.
Say it to my face! Oh fuck, yeah, you can't say it. Yo, that's cool as fuck.
Thank you. Is this true? So I'm trying to say animal liberation.
We're animal lovers.
You can ask me whatever you want. If you buy me a beer later.
We're from Alabama, actually.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Let's have a beer after this.
Sister lovers. Can we interview?
Hi. Mika.
Vika? Awesome, nice to meet you. Awesome.
Let's take a beer then.
Yeah, let's take a beer. Awesome. So, yeah, we're all animal lovers
Animal
here.
liberation. Go
Liberate
vegan.
animals.
Are you vegan? All of you go vegan.
I'm not vegan, but I like beef.
You should.
Convince me, why should I become vegan? You know what I
Well,
mean?
if you want because you don't want to participate in exploiting animals, that's why you go vegan.
Okay.
It's an act of non-egoist.
And when did you guys go vegan?
What made me go vegan was watching all the horrible stuff that actually is going on in the slaughterhouses. And actually was watching the videos. And after that, and also if you're a feminist or believe in that, then you should also be vegan because so many mothers are exploited for their milk or whatever, and their children is left without it to die. What? We're the only species who drinks the milk from another mother species. Exploiting mothers to its like a severe rate.
It's a video.
Yeah. Fuck you. Take a beer.
But yeah, if you
Be careful,
watch this
yeah?
video,
And also, all of us is dying because we're part of nature, and nature is dying right now. And the only thing you can do to save it the most is to go vegan. Yeah. I call him then.
Are you vegan?
vegan?
Yeah.
Vegan.
Yeah.
No, we're not.
No?
They're Nazis.
Are you vegan?
The police, yeah, they're Nazis.
She's not.
Yeah, can you tell me why you're not vegan? Thought about veganism? Has it ever occurred to you?
Okay, give it in 30 seconds, try to convince us to do the
Okay, but I want to hear first why you're not vegan.
There's no particular reason for it. It's just That,
Put the
I don't
phone
know.
on
Okay,
the
so
smart- phone on the smart.
Yeah, of course.
You're against animal abuse,
Yes.
but by eating meat, you're paying people to abuse animals. And how do you respond to that?